I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone who can please me, love me all night long.
Pick to the beat, walking down the street and I'm moving free. Yeah, this is how I roll. Animal print, this is how we roll. It's Red Bull, big ass ball. It's like Bruce Lee, but I got the top. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. Yeah, this is what I see. Everybody stops and staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. When I'm at the mall, security just can't fight me. And when I'm at the beach, I'm in the speedo trying to take my cheeks. This is how I roll. Come on, ladies. Head to the bar, baby, don't be nervous. No shoes, no shirt, and I still get service. Watch. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and is staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy. When I walk out the door, no one's gonna stop me now. I will walk through the darkest street, not afraid to doubt shall meet. If they hate, then I told you so, but you will learn to let go. I wanna be free, free like the sun, when no one can ever get me. I wanna be free, free, free like no place before, when no one can ever get me. I wanna reach the stars somehow. Said I'm ready for the universe. Wanna reach the stars someday, somehow. Said I'm ready for the universe. Am I dreaming, or is it just my imagination? Oh.
to the beach, each, let's go get a wave. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it down. The sound, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it too?
Bueno, Lulu, estamos pasando por tu casa, así que corran, dale, que no nos voy a... ¡Ay! ¿No viste el imbécil de boluda? ¿Cómo no se da cuenta si gritan? Bueno, Lulu, necesitamos alimentarnos. Y nada, bueno, a ver, estamos acá. Si querés te regalamos una bolsa para tu cumpleaños. Si no te pones en la cabeza y nadie te salva.